Hanji, good afternoon, everyone. Today is 17th of August 2021. Going to start further explanation for the chapter that is constitutional design. In the chapter, we had started with our journey to know about how the constitution was being properly maintained by the South Africa, as they had made number of hurdles. They had faced number of the things which were not at all accepted, as blacks were being discriminated by the whites, and number of separation segregation was being followed in the law, that was apartheid. So Nelson Mandela was the person who has made this conclusion to give away this thing in 1994 on 26th of April. So he has done this thing and made the constitution, which was considered to be as a model of a democracy. So that model has represented the new or finest model of a democracy. Now further proceed, constitution in India. India is a journey of lots of many hurdles and disputes, and all the, you can say, different things were being there. Indian constitution is also known as a bag of borrowing. Why it is called as a bag of borrowing? Because we have not made this constitution by our own, but we have taken lots many things from the other countries, like parliamentary form of government from USA, bill rights from UK, and like fundamental rights, right to equality, freedom, that is from France. Like in this way, we said that all the things, and we have not imitate all the things blindly and added in our constitution. हमने blindly इसको accept नहीं किया है, हमने इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चेंजेस भी की, हमने इनको प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन भी किया, इसको प्रॉपरली स्टडी भी किया. अब इसके बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हाउ द सेकंड पार्ट जो हमारे बुक का है, दैट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिजाइन. इंडिया में कैसे हुआ, और नीट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन, व्हाई देयर इज अ नीड फॉर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिजाइन. जस्ट वेट. हमारा नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट जो हमने करना है, दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड, दैट इज ओवर, दैट वी हैव डन. मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में हमें देखना है it was not the journey of one day. It was not the journey of one person's initiative. It was basically the structure which was being made in the form of constitution with the number of Betaji. Don't sleep. Sit properly. So it was made with proper discussion and everything. In 1928, Motilal Nehru. 1928, Motilal Nehru, he wants some of the major provisions to be made in the India. Like at that time, we were under the British control, and he want the provisional type of legislature, provisional government should be there, in which no doubt he has given four basic principles. Four basic principles क्या था? Ensure equality, ensure freedom, universal adult franchise and protection of minority. ये चार चीजें होनी चाहिए, and he has given these idea, and that was added in the provisional government. प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट में ये सब चीजें एडेड होने लग गई, लेकिन उस टाइम यूनिवर्सल एडेड फ्रेंचाइजी वाज नॉट बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड एज इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Constitution is provisional legislative body. It was not called as a constitution, it was called as a provisional legislative body. Then Government of India Act 1935 was being made. Government of India Act 1835 was being made, in which all the persons, provisional government में जो India के representatives थे, they had given these things, including these things in the provisional government, that universal adult franchise will be there, equality will be maintained, freedom will be ensured, and protection of minority will be given to everyone. These major 4 tasks were being given. And आपको पता होगा, मैंने कहा था आपको, when the constitution was being started on 9th of December 1946. अब मोतीलाल नेहरू जी ने जब ये दिसंबर में प्रोक्लेम करना शुरू किया 1928 में, तो 1929 में इसको हम लोगों ने मतलब कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस की लाहौर सेशन में डिमांड की गई दिसंबर 1929। मैंने बताया था आपको 1928 में उन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग अपने ये प्रोविजंस रखना चाहते हैं अपनी प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट के लिए, ये 4 प्रोविजंस रखना चाहते हैं। Then in 1929 when the Lahore session was there, then Jawaharlal Nehru had decided that now we will be not going to make the provisional government, we want to make a complete independence, freedom. Then on 26th of January 1930, दिसंबर 1929 में ये हुआ उसमें लाहौर सेशन में। जनवरी 1930 के अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग एज एन इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑब्जर्व करेंगे एवरी ईयर। दैट वाज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड now in December, now in you can say August 1946, July 1946 में मीटिंग हुई with the member. At that time India was not bifurcated into the India and Pakistan, 2 independent countries, in 1946. July 1946 में constitution framers, they decided to make the constitution very comprehensive, written, detailed and protecting care for every religion, minority and majority. Every religion, every caste, every tradition, सबकी values को protect करेंगे. They had given this work only to the legislative body, but at that time legislative body was not being elected क्योंकि उस time universal adult franchise तो थी ही नहीं। तो ये legislative body कहाँ से बनेगी? That was INC, Indian National Congress, which was formed in 1885. 1885 में Indian National Congress, it was a movement which started their journey to make India as an independent country. So वो जो members थे सारे के सारे, they elected themselves आपस में ही, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी नहीं हुआ इनको इलेक्ट करने के लिए। जो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बॉडी बनी है उसको हम लोगों ने इलेक्ट नहीं किया था। All persons were elected as they were members of the INC at that time. उन मेंबर्स में से वो मेंबर्स सारे आए और जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ जुलाई 1946 में मीटिंग हुई और फर्स्ट सेशन इसका स्टार्ट हुआ 9th of December 1946. As I told you, Indian Constitution was start making in December 9th, 1946, and it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be formed in the proper way. In it, earlier there were 374 members, but now after independence 1947, in which the country was divided into 2 parts. Country was divided into 2 parts, and one was India, another was East Pakistan and West Pakistan. At that time, the remaining members were left in the constitution framings were 299 members. कितने members रह गए? 299 members रह गए और वो 299 members जो थे उन्होंने constitution framing के अंदर जो है अपना contribution देना शुरू किया। Now question आता है, what were the features of Indian Constitution? Indian Constitution आज कितना हमने डे बिफोर यस्टरडे कौन सा डे सेलिब्रेट किया है? रिपब्लिक डे, सॉरी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। इंडिपेंडेंस को हमारे कितने साल हो गए? 75 इयर्स हो गए। 75 इयर्स होने के बावजूद भी हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेस जो है दैट इज रिमेन सेम, स्टिल सेम, दैट इज बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर इज सेम। व्हाई सो? बिकॉज इट इज अ डिटेल्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, it is a comprehensive document, it include all the fundamental rights, directive principles, all the basic structure which is helpful for the making country and protecting the integrity of the country as a whole. Is it okay? After this I'll take short assessment from you people, those who are talking, and I will ask the question which are very deep. Be attentive in the class. So the constitution framers members were 299 members who had made their contribution in regard for framing the constitution. 4 points were already being added, that was to make universal adult franchising, ensure equality, ensure freedom or liberty. Liberty and equality, freedom are the two different words for one same point. And another is protecting the minority from the majority. ये सारा जो है ये and constitution designing में constitution drafting committee which was being headed by B.R. Ambedkar, he took 114 days to read the document in the proper read. All the members under the Constitution Assembly Committee, drafting committee, they read the document clause by clause in the detailed manner, and each word was being explained properly, discussed properly, and debated properly. And that was called Constitution Assembly debate. When these members debated all the constitutions, you can say words properly, discussed properly, and written, and that was done in 114 days. कितने days में हुआ ये? 114 days, included in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. 2 साल 11 महीने और 18 दिन जो लगे, उसके अंदर ही 114 दिन एडेड थे. उस 114 दिन में ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी हैज डिस्कस्ड, डिबेटेड minutely and written all the you can say content in the proper discussion way, and that created 12 bulky volumes. उसके कारण कितने बन गए? 12 bulky volume, which is providing the, you can say, base structure for our constitution, which is still after 75 years हमारा base as it is है. हमारा बेस चेंज नहीं हुआ. अदरवाइज नंबर ऑफ द कंट्री दे हैड फ्रेम्ड देयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बट द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर इज आल्सो बीइंग चेंज. लाइक हम लोग अगर जिम्बाब्वे की बात करें, अगर हम लोग पीआरआई पार्टी की बात करें, याद होगा पीआरआई पार्टी करवाया था ना, इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी. मैक्सिको में, जिम्बाब्वे में सारी चेंजेस आ गई थी उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस नहीं आए बिकॉज आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज डिटेल्ड, comprehensive, explanatory, written in the proper. कोई डाउट? हाँ जी, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स कोई डाउट? नकीरत स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लेना बेटा. हाँ जी बेटा जी, नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट आता है फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. It is protecting the minority. It ensure equality. It is a written document, and it is including the preamble also. Preamble means the introductory information added in the, you can say, constitution. उसके अंदर सबसे पहला वर्ड लिखा हुआ है हमारा sovereignty. Do you know what do you mean by sovereignty? What is that? Sovereignty means a country is free for taking the decisions internally and externally. A country is free to take the decisions internally and externally. Like before 1947, India was not able to take the decision independently. But now, after 1947, when India got independence, our country is free to take decision internally in the matter of internal states disputes, internal, you can say, protocols. जैसा कि अभी कोविड सिनेरियो में लॉकडाउन करवाना, प्राइस हाइक करवाना, या कोई भी प्रॉब्लमेटिक थिंग्स है उनको रिजॉल्व करवाना. दिस इज द बेसिक you can say right of our own countries decision makers, and to take the decision with the external countries. Like we are giving free of cost all the medicines to Nepal and Bangladesh. We are helping them, but we are not giving free of cost to any other country. We are charging from them. This is another example how country is totally free to take internal and external decisions. Is it okay? So sovereignty is that. Hanji, making of Indian Constitution by path of Constitution is clear. Constitution Assembly I had explained. This I had explained properly. Constitution Assembly, Indian National Congress, they had also made their contribution in making this. And draft clause, B.R. Ambedkar, he spent 114 days along with his member to, you can say, debate and discuss, and that was called Constitution Assembly debate. And when printed, all the details were done in the 12 bulky volumes. यहाँ तक का कंसेप्ट मैंने आज करवाया है. Tomorrow I will be going to start guiding value of the Indian Constitution. अब हमें देने वाले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कौन कौन सी गाइडिंग वैल्यू हमने कहां कहां से ली, कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज से ली. As Indian Constitution is known as bag of borrowing. Why it is known as bag of borrowing? Anyone? Why Indian Constitution is known as bag of borrowing? हाँ जी. Whether we imitated it blindly, we imitated it blindly. No, we have not imitated blindly, as we had made the desirable changes in that procedures or in that laws according to our need and aspirations. Is it okay? It will be okay, beta. हाँ जी बेटा जी, सबको क्लियर है?